Did you know that the transport section accounts for about 24% of all CO2 emissions? The transport sector is also a major contributor to air pollution. According to the World Health Organization, air pollution is estimated to have caused 4.2 million premature deaths worldwide in 2019. Another cause of death is road traffic accidents. According to World Health Organization, approximately 1.19 million people die each year as a result of road traffic crashes. In order to cater to these problems, let me introduce you to AI Truck. AI Truck is a proof of concept model that works on both solar energy from a solar panel mounted on the robot body and energy that we can get from the grid. Not only that, but it also has autonomous features that will reduce road traffic accidents. The project consists of two main parts. One is the hardware part and the second is the software part. The hardware consists of a solar cell that gives power to a buck converter, which in turn charges the battery. The battery then powers the motors, which are controlled by using IBT2 motor drivers. The control is done by an Arduino microcontroller. The Arduino microcontroller gets its instructions from two sources, depending on which mode we are in. When in manual mode, then the instructions come from an ESP32 microcontroller, which is controlled by a PS3 controller using Bluetooth communication. When in autonomous mode, then the instructions come from a Jetson Nano. The Jetson Nano is connected to a depth camera, which uses triangulation for finding the distance of objects. For object detection, we use YOLO V7. When YOLO V7 detects an object, then the algorithm finds the distance to the object and sends it to the decision-making algorithm. For road detection, we use the segmentation algorithm. The segmentation algorithm used is called YOLO-P. The YOLO-P model returns a matrix with the detected road, which in turn is sent into the decision-making algorithm. Jetson Nano receives real-time GPS coordinates from a GPS module connected with it. These coordinates are then compared with a predefined path that was found by using the Google Maps API. This data is also sent into the decision-making algorithm. Using the data from all three sources, a decision is made. Afterwards, the final decision is sent to the Arduino microcontroller by using serial communication via USB, which then changes the speed of the motors to control the direction of the robot. And this is the final product of our research.
गुलाम इसहाक खान इंस्टीट्यूट स्वाबी में 2 रोज़ा इंडस्ट्रियल ओपन हाउस का इनेकाद किया गया है, जिसमें तलबा ने 135 मुख्तलिफ तहकीकी प्रोजेक्ट्स नुमाइश के लिए पेश किए। रिपोर्ट करेंगे मोहम्मद आदिल।
गुलाम खान इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग साइंसेज एंड टेक्नोलॉजी सवाबी में 2 रोजा इंडस्ट्रियल ओपन हाउस का इनेकाद किया गया, जिसमें मुल्क भर से 105 मुल्की और गैर मुल्की कंपनियों के माहिरीन के सामने तुलबा ने अपने 135 तहकीकी प्रोजेक्ट्स पेश किए। ओपन हाउस में रोबोट, ड्रोन्स, इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक और चीजों को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाने वाली सोलर गाड़ी शुरा का तवज्जो का मरकज बनी रही।
किसी भी सिटी में डिलीवरी का सिस्टम कर सकते हैं। इसके अंदर आप कोई भी अपना ऑब्जेक्ट रख दें, कोई बिल्कुल पिज्जा बॉक्स या फिर किसी भी डिफरेंट डिलीवरी सिस्टम 50 kg पेलोड के अंदर आप इसके अंदर अपना सामान रखें तो ये उस जगह पे खुद ब खुद पहुंचा के वापसी आ जाएगा।